I'm continuing my one recipe a week video series with Rice Krispie treats. Let's get started. I'm gonna get started by placing this little pan on medium-low heat, and I'm gonna add in some butter. Alrighty, so that butter is melted, and I'm going to add in our marshmallows. Let me just add a couple more. And we're gonna whisk that all together. Now we're gonna set the whisk off to the side, add in our Rice Krispies and kill the heat, and stir that all around. Alright, we've got to work pretty quickly here. So I'm just gonna spray this bowl with some non-stick spray, add our Rice Krispie mixture into this container, and let it sit. Man, I'm gonna have a rough time cleaning this. After a while, just pop it out of the mold and enjoy. Thanks for watching Small Bites. Until next time, I'm Jared Lendy. See ya.